I am Cassandra, your 30-something, beauty-loving, normal gal, making videos for those of us over the age of 30 here on YouTube. And today is another everyday eye look, and I'm going to use Soft Glam, but I'm going to do something I haven't done. I haven't practiced this look, nothing. I just thought, let's just try it. So I'm going to kind of do some sort of layered smoky eye. I mean, can you hear the hesitancy in my voice? This might go all wrong, but we're gonna start it. We're gonna see where it goes. So just to catch you up on where I am so far in my makeup, clearly I have foundation on. So I have on the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Face Primer that just came out. Still making up my mind on it. I have on the L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear. I did do a video on this, and you know what? When you first put it on, it is just so nice looking, but it just has not worn well on me throughout the day. And the fact that it says it's 24-hour wear and then it doesn't make it through my 8-hour workday kind of says something. But for now, I'm still going to use it. So that's on. I have on my Too Faced Born This Way powder. I've got on some Kiehl's lip balm, my Too Faced eyeshadow primer, and my eyebrows are done with the IT like Universal Brow Taupe. So, oh, and I've got on a gel blush, that Tarte one that I'm still trying to use up that's discontinued. So I am going to start by using Sultry, which I just realized that's really weird that there's a color in this palette called Sultry, and then they have a whole other palette called Sultry. Strange? Okay. Anyway, maybe just me. So, gonna start with that, dipping my little smudgy brush in, and I'm gonna put it on my eye. See that? Okay, making sure I'm in frame. I mean, look how much that packs on. So I'm smudging it up with my smudge brush. Now I'm gonna move over to a fluffy brush and just kind of pull. There we go. Okay. Same story, other side. I feel like while these shadows blend really well, I think some of the glittery, shimmery ones press down pretty quick. So it's a little bit hard to budge this one. I am gonna lightly, I mean just tapped in that one to come back up and kind of pull up on this eye. And now back on this eye a little bit. So then I'm gonna take another fluffy brush and I'm gonna go into Dusty Rose and just go on the lid. Like, I'm not going into the lash line, just on the upper lid and pulling back up into my crease and pulling up from there. Okay. Then I'm going to take just a flat brush and put it in tempera, just to kind of fill in at the brow bone. That turned really white. That's really reflecting white today. It's normally not quite that strong. Then I am going to go back into Sultry with my little liner brush. No, you know what? Smudge brush one more time. But I'm not pulling as high up this time. I'll kind of go over that with a fluffy brush just so it doesn't have some harsh line. And I'm just going to soften it in the corner. Now I'm gonna go in with my little flat liner brush into Mulberry, which looks way different on the eye than the brick red that it looks like in the pan. It turns much more into just like a deep maroon purple that's actually really pretty. I'm just getting a little closer to even out kind of up at the top. Blend that a little better. Okay, so I do want to add a little bit of the rose pink glitter right at the corner. Okay, see, that was the mistake. Now it looks like I have pink eye. I don't know what I was thinking. This will let me show you a trick I've found. So if you have any kind of cleansing cloth, take a pretty clean brush. This one's got a neutral color on it. It'll stay. Take a clean brush, put it, dampen it on the cleansing cloth, and then just pat where you want something cleaned up. I did this the other day and was like, yep, that worked well. And then I will just, if it were somewhere else on my face, I'd maybe use a little concealer just to kind of cover that area up. I might end up having to go in a little bit, but for this, here's what we're gonna do instead for this eye look and that pink. So even though I said I want it to be a smoky eye, I just love giving a little pop of light. So instead of that corner with the pink, we're gonna just put it straight in the middle. Of course the leaf blower starts. I don't even know, maybe they're cutting down a tree is what that sounds like. So we're just gonna put it right in the center, okay? For the corner, we will use glistening. And then I do wanna go underneath. So I'm gonna take kind of a thick smudge brush. This is from Bee Bella. And go with that mulberry again, but really lightly underneath the eye. Okay? Last step, I'm gonna rim my eye with the Stila Stay All Day, and then I will put on mascara. I'll finish my makeup just adding some blush and my lipstick, and I'll come back and talk to you at the end. Okay, y'all, they are totally cutting down a tree, so I'm gonna make this fast before they turn their chainsaws back on. So I put on my Stila Stay All Day liner, and then I used my Trish McAvoy lash curling mascara, but I also before that put on the Voluminous Lash Paradise primer. So this makes them a little thicker because this is not a thickening formula, but I like the two together. Other than that, I have on my Bite Glossé lip with a Buxom gloss over it, finished with my Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist, and that is it. So I hope you enjoyed this eye look. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell, and I'll talk to you when it's not so loud. Bye!